Welcome to Vuka Plus. Vuka Plus is not just another app, it's your personal companion on your journey to a healthier, happier you. With Vuka Plus, you can take charge of your health and wellness goals right at your fingertips. Our intuitive health tracker allows you to effortlessly record your daily activities, from taking your PrEP medication to tracking your mood, drinking habits, and more. By doing so, you can identify patterns and gain insights into factors affecting your adherence. If you miss a dose, simply log the reason, and Vuka Plus will provide you with tailored support messages to help you stay on track. Need advice on anything from resume writing to navigating relationships? Vuka Plus offers a vast library of educational articles covering various health and wellness topics, including mental health, sexual health, life skills, and more, all presented in engaging formats. And who says learning can't be fun? Dive into our interactive activities, which include quizzes, self-assessments, and goal-setting exercises designed to reinforce your knowledge and help you build new skills. Connect with like-minded individuals in our supportive chat space, where you can share experiences, participate in polls, and engage in meaningful conversations with the Vuka community. Got burning questions? The Ask the Expert feature allows you to submit anonymous health-related queries and get responses from qualified professionals. Get rewarded for your engagement with badges and unlockable avatar customization options. The more you engage, the more you can personalize your experience. Never miss a beat with our appointment feature, ensuring you stay on track with your clinic appointments and receive reminders for upcoming visits. Rest assured, your privacy and security are our top priorities. With password protection, PIN codes, and Face ID login, Vuka Plus ensures that your data remains secure. And with offline functionality, you can access the app even with low connectivity. That's Vuka Plus, empowering you to live your best life every day.